This cutting machine adopts a traditional casting structure for all main components, delivering a neat, elegant and sturdy overall appearance. Equipped with a full closed-loop control system, the equipment achieves extremely high repeat positioning accuracy for length setting, effectively ensuring consistent cutting results in mass production. The machine is powered by a 380 V 50 Hz 3-phase 4-wire power supply, fitted with two 3 kW sawing motors that provide a stable rotational speed of 3000 or/min for durable and high-power cutting performance. The spindle motor is directly connected to the saw blade, adopting a mature direct push cutting structure. The milling unit is specially designed for milling and drilling of profiles, capable of machining hinge holes, lock body holes, handle holes, mounting holes, and drainage grooves. Adopting 4-axis numerical control and equipped with 7 spindle motors arranged at front upper 45 degrees, front lower 45 degrees, rear upper 45 degrees, top, bottom, front and rear positions respectively. It covers 7 machining surfaces to accommodate processing requirements of various UPVC profiles and improve working efficiency. The cutting unit features 3-axis control, which can cut profiles with a cross-section of 150 by 150 mm. Fitted with a 0600 mm saw blade, it supports rotation angles of -45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 45 degrees to meet flexible cutting demands.